let us go a little deeper into the capabilities of AI. The first one we need to talk about is understanding. The fact that AI can understand us without us having to, for example, learn how to write code. Right? Now, if you look at all the things that AI can do, it's pretty incredible. Some of these things would be impressive even if only a small part of humanity could use it because you had to learn some crazy programming language, for example. But in reality, we all can, because we can use natural language when we communicate with AI. So already from the start with early ChatGPT, we learned that we could literally just chat with it, right? You can write some messages, the AI will understand these messages, and actually almost all languages as well, which is fascinating, and can then give you replies in, plain English, or in very specific forms of English. You can say you wanted in academic English. You can say you wanted to, for example, explain something to you as if you were 12 years old. Right? You have all these ways that we can communicate with it. But in addition to these sort of text-based ways of understanding and communicating with AI, AI has since expanded and become multimodal. Right? So AI can now understand not just the text that you give it. It can understand what you say when you speak. It can understand sounds in general, for example, music and the sound of birds, and identifying what bird is it that makes this song, right? So it has these audio capabilities there to understand that way. And it's since also even gotten the capability to understand visual things, so images, right? So at this point, I'd say all the AI tools, at this point, you can take a picture with your camera of something, like a picture with your phone, and the AI will be able to describe what is in that picture. So you put all these things together, you can see that AI is able to understand basically anything you can throw at it, right? If it's digital, it understands it. If it's not digital, you can digitize it by taking a picture or recording a video. And thus you can have pretty much anything be an input for an AI tool that you work with.